Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our waterproof heavy-duty 108 graded card slab collector case that is airline approved. It's designed to hold up to 108 graded cards in slabs along with cards in sleeves and loose. First we'll talk about the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. No cutting on your end is required. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Removing the plugs might be easier with a tool such as needle-nosed pliers like this. First, you'll need to remove these circular-shaped plugs. Removing these finger holes will make it easier to pull out the foam spacer plugs. Once all the circle plugs are removed, you'll notice that the next set of plugs are in 2 layers. These plugs are dual purpose, so do not discard them. To store slabs, simply remove all the necessary plugs for storing the desired amount. For example, to use all the available slots to store 108 slabs, remove all the plugs from the case. You will note each slab will fit in a designated slot and is separated to avoid scratches. If you do not have enough slabs to fill a certain row, you can partially fill the row and then reinsert plugs in the space where there are no slabs. Should you choose to completely fill the case with slabs that don't need to be separated from one another, you can cut the foam tab separators off to maximize space. Doing this will allow you to store up to 196 slabs touching each other. Alternatively, you can choose to separate some slabs in specific areas while trimming the foam tabs in other areas. Leaving the bottom layer of plugs in allows you to store loose cards that are not in slabs in a vertical orientation. The case can store up to 196 cards in slabs, or over 1,200 loose cards, and can safely and securely store any combination of slabs, sleeves, and loose cards. If you don't have any loose cards or don't have enough slabs to fill the case, simply leave the plugs in place and you won't even be able to tell that they're there. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck Foam. Unlike Pluck Foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. So let's put it to the test. First, we'll put in a paper towel to show that no water gets in. Perfectly dry. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 2 metal reinforced padlockable holes that significantly increase security, a manual pressure relief valve so that the case can be opened at any altitude, a light orange peel texture to help prevent scratches. In back, there are 2 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, which are one way so that they cannot be tapped out. Feet so that the case can stand upright on its own. A molded comfort grip handle that folds down to stay out of the way when not in use, as well as ribs to help deflect impact. This case will allow you to grow as your collection grows, and due to its flexibility, it'll allow you to change your setup at any time. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.